And a dance something one day, but it is sorting crying her. Dance some issue. If you could be a saint, being just a year, you gun and know some dig on home for soccer. More proper. And a minia was sacra and Yamiadum, I have one man sacra Bibiaboko, and so looking very handsome. I Alhaji Nazuru Muhammad, NDC communication team member, on Sufia, Alaji Mokaba.
Yeah, now, sacra say.
O suffer in the Cananca mountain.
Something may. Catch
them, Alaji.
I don't put any of you.
Now, one year, Tampuno.
If you had done for you, when you want to die. Well, but the chairs of Yamu Abu. Ah, who are late? What they are shot and for that time for Yami. And that's my ballet. And then why are they? I dropped my ballet. Why are they? 3 days ago, my ballet. Just honorable for such a Uber Brantam. Remember, the man or enemy capri. So, one teachers who, but maybe you're to go about to car. So, what kind of credit? But back at the Tenase train, some we are not to remember to a passo, no more years. And then, honorable, and I don't know one about it. But I be Prince more called this over Bantam, Bantams of Fuber and go set to it. If we meet in a center, if we meet in a center. Okay, any baby did birthday, Millicent Amudakun, would you birthday? With lawyers, first law and first law, the lawyers, and they work as a whole, you know, say, I would do birthday and Nedway, 25th April. They wish you all the best, including my big brother, Urachi, work with your lawyer. A lawyer, when you say happy birthday to you, Millicent Amudakun, my dear. Birthday in the ban would because it happens once in every year. It's a banner wedding a year. Your best say na fe edin common the deputy minister wa dey make us sagle me housing project no na mecheche mu ye say na dey back Ghana say my ye team for you confused ni say MPP for say ade ni say NDC for sentesa e no kura enye no kura say bia me dey in fact say I told you so sini no was say funny Jones or funny Jones na say Ghana for you confused deputy minister wa head here obaji brana fe dey wu mu bia no watwa hu foni kakra che wi ana fe ye ko Emmanuel Naziru so na so dey atwaso ti honorable chasele nko
medical afa koye so acha atifo nyina titu so be impesu asofo aja omuntimite baby ishranko mo no pay ishranka UTV4 so say mama me kwan na sa no pay ya emechire madwen ebetitifie ehwe omunim de chan mama djuma bi eche ni miasa chen ti ma okonya se na yese adomara kwa
yeah.
And the kind of what I would describe as one of the inherited troubles for this administration.
Oh, how's the project come see?
I say Ghana hano do baby yeah, that's man okay. Maybe I had na ya kuna matie and okaso politicians are kontumpo foi. I took exception kakra bi you know say me kontumpo ni. But yeah ma nkofo bi dwen say ya kontumpo fo. Me nua na zero. Because I did be one, as if him idea or king or defending Yanokre. And I so back no too many panel, all can obeka, native for a judge. No one was defending teaching here. No, it's house numbers will be MPP, and yet, numbers will be defend on them, John. And the other will be Tiwa, or the old tear of Gaza, Najumu, Doche, no minimum. Who deals as a media has been in our way, or kind of credit. If you're not seeing me by, in Sabe. From since 1993, 2 dominant parties here, Abba Echo. But there back one, as a time be a dima mind say, the man of my say, you must some nipa a woman. At the time be a there's was 7 crow. I send be a crow. But it be a no day change. It be a no what change be. And you won't say, you know, one rap as a 7 no, it be a baby I don't tell maybe before. Yeah, but you know, sagle me. And you are say can once because your minus said be NDC minister or the MPP minister.
Yeah.
Okay, so Ghana need Ghana for a president na kwatena ho. And I know what say no. Oba say so oba churches but be on now oba can send bia. Ebia investigation authorities say they amomo so mo hwem emfa no krom no mra no. No mo say bia jomo djuma and I say we are prejudicing the outcome of our investigations. And we much much mamikakra.
Just said media or moody, no. Yeah, the kind of signal I say, you brought time that,
sir. And so moi. Kakra says Saglemi a good project. 2002, Oman Penida Dako 4 pencil.
Okay.
And Okoji 2,172 acres of land. It was Saglemi. It was Old Ningo. East Dangbe East District of Greater Accra. Say Ghana for down 170. We have about 2 million deficit. And he paying baby na. In the affordable housing, among Ghana for. Here we no approval the by for 5,000 units. 5,000 units. It's the same Pimnum. 5,000 housing units. It be a 1 bedroom, it be a 2 bedroom, it be a 3 bedroom with a living room. Yeah, by a first visit I call it as ministers in the ministry, no, was Saglebine Town.
Okay.
Me say a match any world class housing, social housing in the world. Go but then because man of now we say Germany for council flats ba. Because it be a finish, be a kama. Now, I buy sika $200 million. $200 million United States dollars for that project. Na me chato. Over 2017 budget statement, 5,000 units. As a 2018, I say repeat. Sasike abai chai. Ghana bang. Etrium 198 million. I'm a contractors no. Contractors normally measures Constructura OAS, a Brazilian company.
Okay.
And more registered laws of Ghana. Now, you way in a way, you know. I buy a 200 million. We almost started almost another time for 5,000 units. I buy the kind of 500 acres a month because we are rolling out in phases. In the way, them give say. Yeah, baby, and I year two, we near the co-way so the commercial market faces. Parliament on the 12th of October 2012, 2 months to elections, Emma approval for 5,000 affordable units. Parliament, my date, Friday, 12th October. Parliament was a Briano, your other paper, new proceedings of Nina, Okona Busa Hansard. The record has a record for Friday, 12 October 2012. Who's a sign in Sibu in I transit the Wabu at Toswaba. And then I get to say, yes, 5,000 house units. We'll go say with $200 million. In which Parliament sat transit 1st December 2015. They approve a resolution. And waiver of we wouldn't pay import duties, import VAT, import national health insurance, ECOWAS levy, EDAIF, and other related imports amounting to 41,171,308.21.
Nina Omani Shigui.
Omani Chagui. Say ya umbunya kwan. Ama jumana content terminate me see a dino mangana for nya kwan kotem. Adwempa. Ye we in a way, you know. Ye we in a way, you know. 4th January 2013, and a ministry assigned a very big EPC agreement. E stands for engineering. P stands for procurement. And a C stands for construction. And no. My terms are used to my contracts, especially when it comes to infrastructure developments. The science agreement with measures Constructura for no to undertake housing projects no. And as I said, 27 February 2014, without parliamentary approval, the parties, that is the ministry and the contractor, reviewed the original agreement and signed the first and restated agreement with Measures Constructura. What I said, to define the number of houses to be constructed, that is 1,502 housing units. The price of the contract remained the same. On a 710. When I send one on 21st December, there be 27 February 2014, without parliamentary approval. And then I'm J parliamentary approval for 200 million for 5,000 units. Now, face some terms, and I will review terms of the agreement. The parliament says,
Honorable President Kufuor
my chief on TV because I don't want to step to I mean land the honor bra.
Okay. Okay.
Enti mo we no mo review agreement na mo take 5,000 na so. About 1,502 units. Like I say, Ghana for be lose to be 3,500 units. What do you say? NHD. 21st December 2016. When is smoking gun? That's English for friend.
Yeah, that's going to be
21st December 2016. Na Ghana ni minister be for works and housing. So them that. So them that. One am have my baby.
Transition team na here.
Yes. What been?
That's it.
What been Shankan? That's Ghana ha ni President Kufuor Kwano ni swear in. No ye president elect. UTSM.
Me cheaper.
Yeah, there's a Ghana ni minister for works and housing. Na me o chief director be ho. Your friend no Alhaji Ziblim Yakubu. No contractor no share them. And review first amended and restated agreement, you know. And sign second and restated agreement in which the scope of works were reduced to 1,024 units.
Again.
And my way you grow.
Now,
we are some a prison assembly.
As so taste, I know. Figure no so taste.
Can be a touches. Can be a done. Can be a done. 200 million intact. You say, nobody can test what ha. No what is what. As well, the test what can be Johnny.
Originally 5,000 units, now 200.
Originally 5,000 units, and about 1,502.
The same 200.
And the first and restated agreement. The second and restated agreement, no, a Santiba 1,024. It is a 2016. No, beginning says second MPP Ama. Come sign third restated agreement and was at 500 units. But me what 200 million there, baby, done it though. And touch it. So now we, and yeah, minister na you, not as oh. NDC minister na MP minister na you. We a chief director. Ghana so 2 million no chief director without the political leadership. Them know that say.
Yeah.
Because that time, one more last, one more final, one more last minister for works and housing. Ajma Mensah.
I think Dr.
Parliament. Why? Collins. Dowda.
I want to believe so, yeah.
One of them. But that time on ministry because you are talking about you lose to do the big I say minister no document this why I sign the chief director signature also. Say chief director yeah can I say me. UNDP flats here will switch back or say 2 weeks to general election no or say 7 million. Gonna see this macrodes me no move for print to Canada no.
Now honorable more start documents we until move trying there.
Say and minister can the minister can say be. Yeah police and in BNI. Into you gather when we na the attorney general. The attorney general na chere say be here for them better particulars. Into be among free Alhaji Ziblim no emra. And I'm on free minister cross sign agreement mon frère emra. Let's go parliament call documents. On say who for be court to kwa.
Process na what?
On say assembly dey all can because we will be also making a mandate. My mandate dey record so ho. They say Ghana records ni we na lawyer for transfer a pense mu on say we yoku for friend no. We BNI for friend na we CID for friend no. No may a statement and sana official or statement we are. O man say transfer pay the appropriate charges at their money panel. But say we can check 2017 by ye ne go for share kra no. Me as deputy minister for the ministry, we don't share 5 times.
And I'm already 2.5 years in Sunio.
I can't share 5 times. So say, and you know, for instance, I'm catching UNDP, be brave. And do for Hana be them, oh for Hana because they be a BP. That's a minefield, no. But be out man be a boom. Oh for Hana be a boom. And do they on that, but go so good this one particular no because the quantum of money involved no as soon no before the attorney general and the investigative agencies. But yeah, as a ministry, yeah, we are Juma. Them know that say though we are the sector ministry, are responsible for no man. Yeah, to me and ko check ubi, and I to me through ubi. The whole friend so man with my no.
Only said to me no.
But 2 minutes war. Police, national security for BN, or some tango for no.
More handle.
It was a minister training. I said, Nina, my woman. I only need this Jumano. The agram they meet my can say, oh, I said, no, I said, papa hoi se wan kana
Any credit.
Salam pay for account. You buy you try say you wanna be a make say yeah politicians no. You can't be you. And the man go for cancer mo. Me na baby and super Collins down that. Me na baby super me nua abamba ben. Because all this me be pinenti. Because I don't want to call you because na unim me say Ghana ha. O me kura mind me catch on them civil servants. Yeah politicians. So me say abamba kura mind be ada be omonga.
Say anyone when you talk about Mamu.
Aha. It's a baswa any boy din. A buy any boy din because a buy but you watch HMO be who you assembly dano. Near the politics. MPP NDC. Nano Ghana who's assembly peja, na MPP NDC penance and Ukraine yaira. Ubi am so kind of.
With a separate Chechema de Mino, say the prime suspect the so-called chief
because sa agreement no the first restricted agreement no sign. Any minister sign.
When contract and go share them go sign.
Ah, say na me Mr. Bienio. But I to about you Mama Lusu. Your mama okọ. You be so ekufu adu ina go fu abidi aban. In the sa period no. Sa 3 weeks that time. And naja pak. Now on area na yakwa dey din say ja investigation agency start omojuma. Now makwa press conference. Oh, the be can no bia no odin chain bi ebia no ode chain bi makwa press conference say hwese Ghana attempts ka twitwedie akosi adan guwa kofo yema bi na amane fa dan ne ma omo na sabi impreduasa ugo to dan na wo si dan na asemba asase ne ho a wait me abetun dan na ma han
Dabi
asem da ho ne enkanwie na de kuma se na o kina obi paso de wo kokoto mo so be ndan wo so dan fa nche wo betua ka no ma baje. Now, I started press conference from last week. Radio station been on Ghana high and free. It's here no other minister said there be ma and for that quiet. Asem no ye be here to see. But some of the kind up to try the kind there English name was to first salvo there. And he ain't press oh. Yes, so fast I don't press. Now press was starting and you informed. Don't do musa questions. And Tina akofa we no nyina bana because I document about 8 pages. Answer me free ano. But my WhatsApp. So that was what to work in came and no my cause because you have to be BNC obi Ghana. Ghana for the 2 minutes say. You feel it's about that no. One na juma so any ntia mra meto aso. E dey buy so juma na ye but ye pese be ye de bia na ye PPNDC. Mi wa asem hwemu pa. Enye NDC minister ko sign sa dey we o. E ko sign restatement agreement no. E chi right and sign.
Until that's an NDC for the press conference.
Say
okay. Mame ko Alhaji Nasiru. Mesa mo akwa babium.
We didn't hear some bobe ma ahwefo nyina na etiefo. Na very important. Say me project a me kura no and ebenya ho aka na asem and the metimi de ato nchen kakra takra de girls no asem no
you be di ho nkomo
e bi biara metina de me de say topic o ye topic o me kai aban
and there is allowed
and that since I topic no me de beto nchen na e do ha ye nyina ya kebi a very important and so say e be correct some wrong impressions bia in my opinion. Deputy Minister Kreti say as at December 16th na the new minister bia wo ha
21st
for works and housing or the 21st or whatever it is. Very very important say yenyina yete asese o man no ye de mra ene ibu from that year to aba kopem da ye hand over. I'm say bibia womo muni mrano eka say vacuum e womo kakra no between the investiture of parliament so when you make no any the swearing in of the president ni the same day within some few hours but from aban bia ubeyi no or when the 4-year mandate I started 7th of January and the 7th of January on the 4th year me kai say at the Ministry of Trade and Industry, me pake minyoma efi ministry ho on the 6th of January and a 7th. Yes, swearing in a banfo for start ye nejuma. So it is not true, say, between election and swearing in. Now we don't have a running government and a system. It is not true. Saglemi housing project. Let me say, yena yeji tumu say Ghana. Adia bakwe ha teach you 1 year wo ejume biya wo ye between the civil service and the keka ho a embre bebre no yetime transfer no ekwa ha efri ha eba ha 1 year wo be bank crime Kumasi any ekro kese no mu ade bakwa agi wo musika ye di tuo mu nyina no eye dan esika wo firi ho na wa fa car sika wo mo de ko nti nipa be ejuma be 30 years 40 years eya ne pension obeji a oni bebi potia o de ne sabesi susai eno na ejuma no ye no o de ye isan say dan ho nsensem na ye ade a ha adwinyi wo mu a wo just say UN and say United Nations and nhwehwe mu omo ye tire yen so say Ghana ne padodo ne wo Ghana ene adan ye wo Ghana no ye wo deficit ye wo adan bebre wo say yesi a be so sa ne padodo ne wo Ghana no a sa dodo no edoso yi enam santi ena NDC aban no a na John Dramani Mahama edan ni mu no e ka say sa dia mo menye bibi e beboa na yetumi esi sa edan ho nsensem enimu na tese yekoye nimu no Ghana fo ho so be hare wo mo benya dan a aban yesisi we ye private say wo kwa ye say ye ma 2 years advance a woni bia wo be da abontin ana so say wo dan nimu ana afiewura den ewo atifie na atete otumi tu gate mu at this time ne ne keka nti yenye bibia ebeboa ma Ghana fo adwumayefo no enwa hare wo mo na wo mo nso ehunu se wo ye ndehye ewo wo mo ankasa wo mo man mu eni ntina ye start say yesi seglement indeed and yes seglement kwa seglement no na yesi 5,000 units of housing ye ko pon and also nyamedua and also yesi about 5,000 units of housing na Kumasi de enso wo ho ne ne keka nti ni nyina no ye concerted effort to say John Dramani Mahama ban no if you say yetumi ye wia ebeboa ma Ghana fo to say teach you 1 year we ejuma wo income no woni wo mo deal a very easy as I say woni bebi anaketu yakọ nti sa macho maka okona bra ewo sikasem no etua ho no enye den na nipa no etumi abenya dan a ono so ne ho ebeto no na ene yeda sore ya MPP aban ewini election wo mo ba ye no ade a NDC for minority a parliament mrasebedwafo no a wo mo eye minority dom kuma no ehun se ne nyoma no esiko no akamana ye se MPP for eye bibia wo mo mboa Ghana fo nti wo se yetu anamon a ye de asem no ebetudwa se ne sefata nti minority for eshembra esheda eko sa ye benze saglemi ho eko ye nsrahwe hwe se nyoma no ene ejuma no omuja no akosi sen esanse wunya say by this time no wo mu a ankese fata se omutremu no 2 years down the line na nkomo abetremu wo hwe ejuma no a John Dramani Mahama brese wo mu start ye no wo mu ejuma no in 3 phases say ye besi dan baako 5,000 units to say families more than 10,000 ebetimi aden atremu na yes anwa na ye bisa ye hu say in 3 phases no metie wo mo press conference no obia amayen nhihye and answer details of the 3 phases. Say first phase ye be say, second phase ye say, third phase ye omo pass details number. So in itself the press conference a buying a year no na me say it's being economical with the truth. The BB could see and change now yeah the selective amnesia aye press conference about creating impression they say Abano is right for not going to continue the job near NDC for can say ye ja eduma pa yen ye fi say anka now no bibia ye could do ye no and that back between 600 to 1,000 and you completed mechanical so completed we be found nyoma e dey akotina dan mu dey ntina Ghana for enti sa dan mu ye wo bibia ye fra no ye fa say cost bia ebi a wasi dan wo wonim wo mo run hotels wo mo no mo ehwe sa course no si ye because so hotel dan e wo ho no obi a antimu a between the time I will be free mu and the time I will be beba no that's that time no course ni nyina no course a wo hotel owner no wo won't care because the electricity will continue to work, water will continue to run, and some other facilities like keep hotel no in shape no will continue to run will be MBTI. Into ye kasa wo mo bo Ghana for car say a dime 5,000 I see ye besi yes 5,000 ye nim say in phases 3 phases and NDC for a year Sanchez and ministry of honorable oba tools are in say no amoye no say 3 phases into say 3 phases none there you see 1,000 what be say one more catch so one will say other phases no has ceased to exist and I say you can say other phases no so you bet you sika foforo o more catch when they are still talking about the 200 million slated for that amount. Nobody is telling us that. My video, my press statement, my kinkan Kuwan Kratano, near year can say Wufi say would be Ayabonia. Into the majority, minority in parliament, don't come on NDC for Edos Woman. Catcher will say, wouldn't him so be Ayabonia? To one among naturally Panaso, name of Ghana for Sikano, ye use so. Yes, see, Magana for any home for so. Yeah, no, so Ayaboni. Now I back and say, and yatsi dan and 200 and sikano it's done you say 5,000 and a 1,200 and something. May come on authority honorable tia he should deny the fact that what call ye as a deputy minister of works and housing say more than 600 to 1,000 units. Are you ready? I mean,
ready as in a cafe things and answer ready for
fully ready. I listened to a flimsy excuse say aka sewage be any insuo ye de be ko ho ne ne keka Ghana fo bebre etimiam ye bebre a insuo eni ho omutimiam ye bebre insuo
na say admittedly sane man bi wa bi nyenu ho
and I say o say e bia nyendu ho a that is not me my case. My case is that as I sit here me no ko seglem ya betimi am dan e ma wo de unyama hu na wa da dan no because everything is set. If it is the issue of electricity, you buying, actually, say, what be 2 and a month, say, ye sika, akoshebu, he has admitted. Say, the sika, shemu, sa sikano, akwaka, for so be free mu, emma. And it will be so, I can't say, where and tear. At the end of it was ano, na essay, ebia ebano, you say, you sign the sika for frobi, ebe gumu. Answer ye in Shaya, Ebeboamu Biasa Kotremu, Nagana for Aboka. That is what the minority is protesting, and no minority for no air case. We are someone now with the Ghana for Yamo.
Originally, should be said, I started with 5,000 units, and at the end about 1,000 plus, but I don't call.
And I make comment said the project was in 3 phases.
Phase 1 and 5,000 units.
And I say, no, 5,000, we see 5,000, the 3 phases, and I basis are 5,000. Yes, see the precope. Say, oh, your project management. Phase 1. If you obviously a diet to do say,
you basically when in 5,000, 500 a chance here.
Correct. Now, if the 500 best chance here, now you see 500 you young for betinemu, now your project, if you bedis cabin so account, now Buama buying his country, now you started another 500. 3 phases, that is a fact. We are not running away from it. Inti se menu eti hane na ye kase Ghana for bre ye de Ghana for sika ye bibi ma menka bibi ntrɛw. Let us assume without admitting say indeed obi aye boni a na che say obi nso enya ho mfaso Ghana ni a yetua ne tax edi sika na onya ho mfaso. Is that what we are saying? Into obi ye boni ansa MP before ba mu. Is the government not ready? Into obi ye boni no wo mo aba mu yen kasa mo nso aban ni nyina ntwen na yen solve problem boni na ye ni nyina ansa na do start asani eji ye say salary and as a ministers no beji salary. Is that what you are saying? We are being what near here can say they are being disingenuous to the good people of Ghana. They are being doing a great disservice to the good people of Ghana. This issue of ye fise obi aye boni no started not today, a couple of months ago. Mekai Umaru Sanda on City FM, Ebisa, Minister of Works and Housing. Say, into Obaya Bonia, then a moye, and I'll say, Attorney General Mamu, what do you call it? Feedback. Say, Enchebiano, say, prosecution bureau and answer Bonibi, or best start prosecution. And do I want to press the conference, or sign Casasemo, Bisa, who is being lackadaisical here, wine and a Ghana for in this case. Okay, one at Tinipane. Now you're in Sikana, you're the Akosho, and young Faso. Then Ghana is moving forward. Yet means now, oh, to me, you will say, what the Akosho will be. That is not the way to go. We will GTA, a Warishimu say a dream pa, and a sumpem. And a Ghana for, and who said John Dramani Mahama, yes, high investment, ministers in Jidano, you who said a dino egugu, a dino, a wonderful senior minister, Casa, Editumu, say a standard or who could be Biara, which more who said, woman, I be a deboa, a mindbano, and no other yeka. We cannot run away from the fact to say, a quiet BB since 1992, NDC, a bre. From 1992 to 96, and former president. Is it 1992 to 2000? From 92 to 2000, our former president Rawlings Free Abaymuno. 93 years to 2000. Former president Rawlings Free Abaymuno. Yewnim. Modimwa Wabo. Members of Parliament Sakumono. Housing project Wamusunya ye Ghana for Enya home for snitch facilities ICC Kumasi Sunyani holding the account a housing project and a buying ECD Ghana young population and I say the good people of Ghana. Sanso ena ene John Dramani Mahama Brenso when also CB nka ane ye was say this asafuano emanko for esan say a buying no assistant na ebia wo ya ye beka sa ban bia ye bi. Now go so woni bia plans bi say ubetime esi bi no nti ye nja ma de ne say na ye wia na ye nyina ya bro pepepe wo yes anu na wa ha Ghana yi because it is a fact the MPP abanya wo mutumi nya kwan ba power kufu abreso ewie ye no there has not been a single ye fan say affordable housing project wo mutumi aye wia Ghana for akotine mu unlike what happened under Rawlings John Dramani Mahama nso abeyebi wo at least so who be say want to be
John Mahama dey any dey
any Seglame any
Seglame you can want some here
Seglame yeah it's a
that's now a finished product finished project
as at the time I be free power now you will pay 600 to 1000 units a year
but you know
I'm challenging to say that yes I'm challenging him to say that we've not completed
project
and he's on TV said we will take this matter out so it's one thing I'm challenging him and and many others. Let us agree. Say bia mfunsuaba ye delay ya magana fo aboka mwaka ye yati.
Mfunso why na was what you choose so I am mfunso.
By now I was so say because no matter what the situation is say a prosecutioner wona wo attorney general wona wo CID wona wo BNI wona wo president wona wo minister and you cannot prosecute the person na Ghana police cannot answer. The money in Sika Edichebuna and also Yenya Home for Sobia. And if you've delayed and you've not done all this to get the projects moving, because we say we answer one project not was. And what is taking you 2 years? So per holiday they are warning family. I know they are over to me a parliament a koi bibia now they are implementing holiday number. Young farmer way, young two waiting, young way within 2 years. Ghana for Sika, Kushabo, Mubenya Dia Debu, Aye Juma Fee, said Wamonso and Dishi, Wamu Mine. I read they all say, Obe Shimu, South Shimu, into 10 years, now years, movie, Unjin, this a Juman baby, a Duno, after 10 years, now you call back. I was a Yokwe before, to bring it at this status and a walk and there, Yakas and Conformity Matinimo. Unjin, this a best Sika was with you. And who is going to pay that money? Are we going to charge somebody say and also causing financial loss to the state? Your negligence.
Arrangements. My main kind message now for questions. We will be Yano na Yako. When Efri obeying Anthony Abladi, if you come Zongo Sakradi. Also, Honorable Eugene, you have all this corrupt fraud on Saglemi housing project. What stops you to take the person to court? You are in charge now, so please take some action. Anyway, that's not my worry. Today, my worry is on the tardy kidnapped girls. Mr. President, please, you should hold these people to ransom by making sure that they provide these girls so that Ghanaians will know that indeed the police is working, not what we are hearing. Okay. Main kind view, your time in Intino. I'm honorable. So, So you have every single thing in your favor as the government of the day.
I said no crime make and me I'm not when we have say they make can be a fact.
You know, the project, you know, say they come in phases. On first phase, second phase, third phase.
Then I make a joke say, as my kind of fact. So I'm not going to answer being a fact. Maybe I make a record of the amount as minister. You guys will challenge me, challenge all through. You will be a maker. I'm speaking in my capacity as a deputy minister for Works and Housing in the Republic of Ghana. You be a maker, a normal, a war, may I be 2 Ghana for them, 2 million. Them Georgia say, the 27th February 2014, without parliamentary approval, I think that then Minister Honorable Collins Dauda, MP, a Suti South, as a Suti North. There be a Sunafo South, Collins Dauda is Sunafo South. A review contract now. A review contract now. The quantum of the contract sum remained intact. On a review, on a first and restated agreement. And the rules about 1,512 units. It's not in phases.
From 5,000.
Yes, it's not in phases. Unless say, who they watch when you discuss be a first and restated agreement. Now, which I say, it 1,500. Say a phase, okay, that's for the first phase. The next phase, you know, you basically say, or say you review from the 5,000 no, original number of housing units no, to 1,502. That was 27 February 2014. These are records from the ministry. And I'm going to do it free. Me momit in America. None for the air propaganda and the air fact. And then I said, no watch it. I'm because 7th of January, now and swear and I do in. But then Mahama was still the president. Yes. But I'm not going to make a cabin. You're going to visit here for minister. Because minister Dean a war document.
But the chief director.
But 27 February, that's first and restated agreement. And since 21st December, you be on a sachet, Papanechi. What do I say? Because one of the minister.
And you ABA.
ABA.
Okay.
ABA. So you can infer. Because all the year first one. On the time as a minister, no first one. And the 21st December, then allow the blame quiet. What do I say? I was really soon to 2024. Nina, woman talk about faces. So. And we shouldn't come and use the word here this morning to confuse Ghanaians. Now,
from the onset of the whole contract, no, chief director, no home.
Oh, say chief director there. The head of bureaucracy in the ministry.
But I'm sure that time the political appointee of that day.
Chief director won't mean signed document.
So in the first place,
it's a minister, the man.
In the first place, document does sound quite very wrong.
Yeah, because wait, my witness it won't mean signed. If he say war Ghana, yes, you director open one seven go jail. There be politicians in the jail.
The visual 14 free no.
Because a politician, chief director, minister, BBA, or the chief, I want you to witness for me. Or you can ask the directors to come and witness. But we need 2 minutes of sign. Was said to me a new hawk. 2 minutes I walk in fear, Nabia, minimum, a question check and for someone to my name for my nation. 2 minutes, you're not going for the mind. You never much director.
And back to my question, you have all these evidences are very watertight.
There been a just say, so sometimes no. Court. Utasma atuba catcher for 2013. There be a simple to about court on the court it here. You judge that can sit here. Who will be court? And yes, all the assembly they do court too. Also go for defense to I'm defending. It is one for some watertight. As my woman say, same way they make more 51%. That's in criminal cases. 51% chance of conviction. Na kujina quarter. Masa, criminal case be 51-49. And yes, civil matter, dog I say preponderance of evidence. Civil criminal case be 51-41. 59, 51-49.
51-49.
Yeah, or technicality make me jana with panoko.
Kitwe be no da
Obi to raise a point of law. Already an answer in Yabogu. No, we are fan hoody. Yana because when I'm here, when I'm on coy. Ain't he? Masmaka said, I said, no, attended general. Meaning, say the part be break or yoko. Meaning, sir, to almost your investigation. And one near a seven writer, Unim Ghana, hey, we shanting. Yeah, we shanting me. Yana Sano Biabeka, a seven that will be a gas and no carry chanting. It got a bit my said, say, my money dates. It will hold many Anazulu or true challenger. Minimum challenge cross out, because as my making a little payment copy. Because my making a record, make us a bit speaking to from the ministry. I am many of my bomb is still in America. Maybe I make a be 2 mre, no much this year. Be 2 mre, no much this year. The more date, which I say we see here. The more date, which I say we see here. The more meaning I ministry this information. Oh, that's here. Again, me get Muslim. It's the the point of the matter, I say, I don't enjoy Sabah minister canon. You better 2 years. I don't be on the quieter and my bunting. It's a press conference. Young Obama, most central for most man paya. There will be a police will be a fine case. Muna all paya say na moving after the same for can once. But I'm telling you the father of the matter, they say, sadly me, no matter what the because NDC, some of the NDC ministers have spoken to us that they were in faces. They were not. Because almost a review first and we agreement. Almost take 5,000 or so, and 1,502. Almost a second restated, no? Almost a so in 2016, 27 February 2014. Colonizada pencil 21st February December 2016, no? Almost science, almost a review, second restated agreement. Every 1,052, 1,502 no about 1,024. It's mesre obika say faces millions azri others how would mean you should be because before say the pakono or the BSU they were not in faces. Total contrast, total agreement, total number of no and makutu no. And I'm going to say yeah buy no. And be banana to buy bemwa or ye minister kotra no. We have back of 2017 we quoted these figures. Because these were the figures in the ministry. What I say? It is half years near children who say, as a nantisa. Now, some say, Tini. It's Mia, Samson, Deputy Minister, a quam to Jordan Tiso. Number Sammy, I say, which they move for politics to the children. I mean, Chassis. Also, can say in faces. Say, to Miss Rigidi. So, because sometimes,
say the faces that there should be documents.
Don't come immediately because I like to believe him. Say, be no politics, be no. Before politics, you know, or can be I'm inclined to believe him. Mijini, a document started say banner. Maybe a Sammy, we see no. So, and I'm because I'm an antisa. The music there is equal antisa. Get the old catch him, yes, Adam Huno. So, it's sometimes, you know. Yeah, the purpose of the whole year, which I'm trying to wait a time, and Naziri is saying, and you saying, any quiet thing. The fact of the matter is that, you know, come in, we are dream. But I say, okay, no, I say, you are coming on your dream. Affordable housing, the kind of 2002, the president go for a hotel assassin. Certainly. But also, my man, and people go by one.
The good news
that is my serious man. I make a choice. Say, me know we are doing. Rollins, yes, straight houses. And okay, one man paid that I could for so buy, you know, also buy affordable housing. At the continent, may say, time we lose 2008. So all the correct some of them I know. You must from us. Till 2015, yeah, and I start to go back to site. As you go back to site now, buy so niska. I hope so. I'm educating you. It didn't I don't need me because the Professor Mills buy no trust. Come we almost say I buy niska. And I get to 2015, yeah, and I should go back to site. Back to site on condition say I buy niska. I buy handy be over to Snit. The Snit for now, I hear me we dino. So on the channel, it is another say a tongue gun hano. You told me about my Uba, Mama, Namanoko, Afro to be.
Obey say, Ama,
oh, sir, Unimua, Nipana or Moton, says or Seto, and the guy in charge. We interested. Meet Mama, number no friend now, or who know to me now. It's the attached tongue.
What women
SO, would mean to a ton. I know way. But my Moto, we are so. So from to so bad.
Correct.
Alaji should quite can to you.
And Alaji, oh couple, post the answer. And I say for the career. It is a boy, a translate, who say,
that is what I'm talking about.
For my Adabraka, Kofo 35, Kofo 30 in Gra, Buteman, Kumasa Scoreman, who Tamale, and a
couldn't you could be home?
Yes, Kofo 30, so I said, what's a baby between 2000 here?
You take, or say, what far as a man, Macano. No, wait till you say politicians like journalists. Yeah, Kasabe brave, but we hate to be misquoted. The India America said, said to build and complete. I qualified my position. To build and complete Ukraine. And a match on your build and complete under Rollins, build and complete under defense former President John Dramani Mahama. So in America, there's a fire, former President John Dramani Mahama, Ghana for Esika Kokemu, Magana for Nkodemu. Naturally, say one so what buy and went to be a secret because so be to assassin BBC was one so what to assassin, so before for about what be so. That is what we are challenging.
To Tottenham.
Was it that? I'm a man go from Tottenham.
The good news is of what the documents of me before the Attorney General Department.
And I'm saying for Attorney General Department. Then whatever it is that we will do at the end of the day, we have to get these things running. May King and my name be Kafufro say a dino, yes, saying, and yes, that is the worry of the minority in Parliament. And I know they have say, Yan the Sanwa, a bayana, you would say, a Sanwa a political. As I say, we'll be a Siena, who won't be Sibinonti, who say, Oma, Sani Panuko, Shima, Nipana Benumuna,
and by the same token, KATR market phase 1. So about 98% completed. And so still the bank time. Is it coming about 100%? But the bank was a process. It's the other day, Ukanesa.
Okay, my inquiry say I could do Attorney General on the young training with DBC. Young call story no so. Tardy girls no. In fact, Ghanaians are very confused as to say Korana yet you who woman. And no daily got this story about say fella with the breaking news. I feel police for the statement about saying no cressa. In fact, we are so confused say in what is happening. I mean just say I can also, understand the anxiety of the parents or mama kosa or how you.
Kwabe, Udim, and ye be being tina, me snappy beer, na minya quenya, na me de takra the girls issues ro, Abba. Winning a mamra quaiso. Intia, you say, Ubi bika bibia, or say, we ye safata, a dijan quine.
Yeah.
Ninano, a processes a bebuama, wono, yaono. If you move so big, say, oh, my baby, Eddie Ashe, medication no munyam. To say, and the only now, and we are no more for yes, we could jam one. As I say, what me we ye now would feel into same crowd who be sell no swab a straw ye na say, and my wakuma to him, and my one casa will feel good. Now, what person who send ye say, would this year, Beira. Na no, and ye were winning so. Unye bibia manua kubisa Castro musician na oka bibi anaso oyira
am kubusa na ni fe wayira so
kubisa ne busuafo
okay
ene ne ndamfofo se no mu feel se nightmare obi kura ho asese a otumi hu obi a o se ne ana se ne kumetu because nipa no no ani bi se wo bi ne na de wo se ye kwaba me ankosie no mankoye bibia sa feeling no eye sunku etumi mo obi kura na dwenka. It's as a or between who say want to say that trauma no have been to the extent to say one more ye juma bi no matter say nkwala na ba ko papa wo say mame e nurse e be affecting the juma no all yen the productivity contribution to the socio-economic development of our country no will be affected, and for that matter no it will say yes show concern as a people. Two, the fact say yen nyina yeti ha yen say nkwala no e juveniles na bia obi wo mu a exams ankwala yi tro wo SSC ankoso ka omo a obetro no matter what happens, and then me no ka say kura ye hu akwala no a ye delay in 1 year because the match papers bi abetwe mu a ontimi embeto so bia on register e kura na sa 1 year na ya waste on the life. The colleagues of the so move university akọ stage one na ono oguso ewo school through no fault of hers. It's as say ya yehwe han ama nyoma atete aponsema na anase agency. Then thirdly, ye di Easter recently. Obia ne nebusuafo wo motena ase enjoy last supper ene ne ekeka ho atese obia agirani mehu aban ene na pabfo ewo kowu atese obia agirani eye walk ete Rock City ene ne ekeka ho mo gi omoni na meka se sa awofo we den ene wo mo adwe no ntira me asem we ehamia bibia na kobia no na me di asem. Then come to the issue of how the police service is handling the issue. Police service no me yama me tiwa do dankwa eda me sre me bisa CID fo bo apayo bia na se mo ahyeda na mo ye bibia ebeha nkwala no well being ene obi dia betu dwa se nkwala no awa tiwa wo se wahu bibia o mo no madam do dankwa yi obi dia betu dwa se nkrofo no ewo hospital wo se omuni hospital wo mo ka so omuni hospital wo mo ka che obi bia nkwala no. That is the fundamental question. So now that you are denying some kwalano, and don't you think it's frightening enough? Let's begin to say, don't you think it's frightening enough? Say, wow, but nothing on the 2nd of April, Obianso, a two Obiansi, and Sikabian Sus, one or better as a catcher for the gun of one in us. Oh, and Kwalana, you're on your and what? And I may get it alarm, say. BB Koswa Ebia Yeni.
Then I also say Koso.
A lot of things. A lot of things they Koso about Unkwala Yeni. Let me ask you something. Yeti Kroma. And a friend radio broadcaster be. I friend Mugabe Masi. Recently said, Ombra. Now Yadene Airport. Tiwa the Dankwa and a friend CID.
He said, what Tadi girls do Mugabe?
Meba. Wakoka Assembly. Wakoka Assembly. Onona Dreamo. Creating fear and panic. Arambwa.
Causing.
Daily guide for a publisher some amaba. What see one more story statements no more issue in Dranwa. One more in treaty newspapers ne media houses and so more ya ye. Ene sa report no more reporting na one more nim ho hwe no. Mr. Mugisa one more so ya fra o ti wa fra o.
I don't get you.
Mr. Mugabe so publish a story.
So what can't seem be
I
cause fear and panic.
And your friend I no purport. Daily guide at this house on also castle. Ama police for crab a castle. Almost police for Unqualano. Now Qualano will be an iPhone 7. Police was a money baby Unqualano. And it's not true. Say Qualano will be an iPhone 7. Unqualano knew him. Your friend, Tiwa the drunk friend.
We were sending on the police for this statement about one.
And I'm saying, we
are waiting.
One more friend daily guard.
I didn't change. It's early days yet.
4 legs good, 2 legs bad. But you see, the way forward, I say, and fitting neko, very important. Say, you better say, at least, I'm your crano in some agency. Your mampenia yen na to abamano. Yentie nenka, I was asking we. Mente the interior minister what me to an amombia or to me I can be beer a better Ghana for you and say indeed your systems are Omwashisha better say Palano yen Sabakawum. Yet a set Womodi Kofobi every abutri eba Abebwa Amayajin Palano. Up to today, yen TBBR and Faum. Let us ensure lives of the good people of Ghana a very, very important. Say Nipa Bakukra and Kwa. Important because the contribution to the socio-economic development, you know, from point only what be as no Ghana yen to me enya and free in China and I say yen to me enya mwa yen kaiko. Enti yen ye betumi aye bia. Na wofo no yen be because matters of more liaison being so one more any police no edin kita ho ono no wo police for no ne ebusuafo no ntem. Na me tie ni interview on 3 occasions a ono ka say police for no ka hwenkyere no nti ono onim bibia or ko ka che awofo no na awofo no police for no so be kasa de bia so omo liaison between them and the family nipa no so de bia o say police for no en ka hwenkyere no nti oni bibia o ko ka che awofo no just or two police for no directive no so e de akoma awofo no but he is not heard anything so clearly you know ye ayehwehan e masasem we aginsem. Ghana has a system where media mechanic de bia ye police fo a ye kun wo mu kosie wo mo dan ase under ye fancy what do you call it construction site in the keka. Police wanted to be investigation within the shortest possible time. Uhu Pia almost security service for Ghana. Because Ghana is a small country. Ubia uye bibia and China yacho. And it is no surprise. Say Ubi betimia kukumu ubi yashe jebi dankwa ne issue say within the 4-5 weekday na yachini pano. Ubi bibia ubi within the shortest possible time. Yenya kidnapper wokroma. Amateurs within 1, 2, 3 months now yensa ako kanwama ya cheno because the system is working, the system can work, and I'm confident that if Tiwa Adudankwa would ensure that the system would work, these people would have been apprehended by now. And you say ubi yeshahan, and you say ubi engine a wolf one, and you say ubi engine sangualano or mayirano, and inti and a yeka say a buying and yeshahan and engine. Now, want to me and Kabibi enter Ghana for no Muntuana more ebe boyema at the end of the day, no Rebecca say, and Kolai assign Abefi Ede or Muhu Abeka family.
One of my question will be say, which you said you may add the policy for no one. Honorable.
Me. Oh, what we?
And a personal project, indeed.
There's a baby what start free. Tired to be manas here.
Honorable, who say important?
The music important, but say as some now can say.
I'm honorable. Enjoy your work.
Now say, oh, take what they your passion.
What the free baby now the other baby. Who say important?
Debbie. What important?
One day, one member of parliament.
A connection.
One day, connection member of parliament. One be minister. Now, just because of the political colors, you perceive say war, and they want to infringe on your right.
Mr. Media,
and they say, oh, they may come at you.
That's
time you will not laugh over me.
Oh, yeah, home. The Bia Mekase, say Nipa, say Dream Shekaya, and be who he has here, and who he has here. And so they are near a fire indiscipline.
On whose part?
We are politicians, they can't be in the ruling class and the ruled. What they are saying? Oh, say, Otia. Oh, only per show. Facebook, one wine. Nipa and pay. What come a good moment to her, you not believe it. There's almost also about his station. Tis my Becca, if ye be Femuaba, if be Nyadre, if be Diatem, if be Troy. All the time, sure. But the bottom line is that Miniminia, Nasia, strong machine, be about 5:30, a jury abetraha, a bachelor. Miunu said, I'm a townful. Beginning to be Musa and a townful.
Certainly.
Into a chubby Musa, not my sister. No matter where I find myself, no. What trust will be to me, Edia Kamashe, and our to me be a woman. Ye who be your main. I'm because I'm a comedy action. No one. If you have Manas, they cry Fenninam. Oh, but you don't say Bahano pay. You know, be a cassette. Maybe it will be a pepper. No cranny and him kind. Will be a baby, I say no cry, now pepper you more. 100 years you can come and justify it. You come. But I say we may because we ABCD. Obias what to be OTB as market to him. Oh, cardi girls the yen high. And I don't think that Minuana or the political issue. Because it's unfortunate say President Kufuor pension. But how Obia? Because Obia a bad time. As Oba or especially Masu Nayachi Musa. Maybe any baby or more, no way saying, no way saying. And I'm just me because sometimes, you know, and I say, Obekana, a briefing a crowd, and I'm out of the casa. I don't think that Mammy ate you are Dankwa, Dankwa bit my barbecan. You are not so catch the a briefing, dear man, maybe Obekan BB, and maybe subsequently, no, maybe Tessa, maybe a police. Excuse me, police finance will be a information you can say on TV film. All matter of all scenarios with my back. But I grab it my account. I found and say, yo, a year gonna need be a hunted. They're gonna need be a eya say anankre adan dey na sie na ya pe omo ani hu baby omo ba me gidi say police for no so ye adwuma ya no mo adwuma ya na do bia eden omgu so ye adwuma because papa bi a me tie narration kakra Sadum TV one of the stations no kire kwan no free Togo ba border ho cars bi san one who say nkrobi gramu cry for help and adrian ko so tie za papa no I said no soft as e be say water region baby and I'm say no across border no oba it in the driver no so when driver so am prompt no in time of driver no prompt no na ke say car no eko oh why you are into the man I was say grab go and that was the man you know say man save nkoda no all cars like I say driver that said also bu hu say go for say be no na be go kratu why han ya bo tu akun
nti won tu bi an save
nti han da bi ke say papa o ka che papa bi papa ni be so ko na ke say car no ko say say na sana blue board go for pack didi ni na dey ko Johnson say no man say in the course of all that who say they were agitated kids be okay man no more cry for help oh but driver no hu papa na hu driver so enti akopon papa me say no also abushi kakra in that what catch papa ni ba na say car to what so enti kakra me can say yeah so what to police for because be police for bit my ye mu be enti me and I said make no say driver no kudura obeka say na no police ni bi ko chi obi a so kwa no nkretu a hu say do mazo a e your pen be gina e no ha na police wo fa so ahwere wo nkwa so ho me vi ye enta police for chi mo mpa mo na ye show mu nkran no mu ntibi nya adwuma you no mo ye na eden or kidnapping there abroche gina kidnapping ya sama eden o mo kra o mo very sophisticated means of investigations and no ya na ha adwen enti kakra bit maka for one say me dem feel say more restrictions and crime will be found.
Let's hope so.
Oh yeah, more restrictions will be found. I think say for now, I ain't money behind there. English for us, because no news is good news. What I say, no news is good news. I say a table behind. Oh, say you
have to say one more BNI for.
I did got story now,
and police for Abeka say yes, but I'm not saying yes, no more baby. So there is news.
I'm going to say police will come and say that if not this, really guy can end correct. Because of investigation, don't want the investigation to be obstructed. Until they will say all manner of things. Oh, that's it. It's not that there was what TBR from Hana be sometimes this is no idea. No, hey. Ebi on person hu bi ankwara na muso hu kwara na ebi ase ebi kwara state omu kwara hu omo no se no mo awofo no asef me se na on make sure no you rehabilitate you omo asa na on you know
ya tini na
all manner of things.
Let's assume said ye can I mean let's be positive.
So yeah, we remain positive.
Okay. I'm very positive. Ya kwa ji omo afisa tibianim na mo bia na amuni police info no they should get the parents informed.
And I say, it is against the practice and any law. Say juvenile. What they know about especially medical examination now what for an answer guardian anymore. So I believe the police because I want to say and I believe the police cannot take that risk. Say woman medical examination without the consent of their guardians and their parents. To me, and yes, it's against the law. It's against the child's own right. Indeed, me jitu mo said the police forecast omu enye and krese omu BNI for no and krese omu ning omu nsem name omu he. Those are the questions. It is very important. We need to be hearing something now.
Okay, my main message is I don't for their banner for young quenim. Also, you see how smart the NDC are. They had the opportunity to be in power for 8 years, and in just less than 2 years in opposition, they are speaking as if they have never been in power before. Now they have neglected the late President Mills and attributed all works ex-President Mahama. Their plan now is to frustrate the people of Ghana, but we are focused now, and we will prove them wrong. We still remember their doom so. Baz Brandon confirm Saga. That's it.
I'm going. Yama. Papa was sending a message.
What did he say?
Yeah, no, I'm listening to you. I'm listening to you.
Many young people for a program will be Ubia anywhere and then ye car infrastructure, ye come puntu, Juman in ye kika wabo, Nanado Dio, Umbeka, Kufodi. Before no mobile at every point in time. What you be doing? I'm an I didn't know to be more with money. I didn't know most of the man.
I don't know.
Sex, I don't know. But they requested that the money because on the referee. Maybe you are no politician. Oh, good. Yeah, politician. Grandma can't change me any say. Ghana how? And so happen. And so. And so am I in carrying is a 7. It be on my papa. And so. Yet what a child. A man who in the history, the whole Africa, Ghana, in the history of democratic enterprise, the whole Africa, Ghana, Mahama has suffered the most humiliating electoral defeat. But electoral defeat is not the basis for and it is wrong. It is wrong. It is a wrong premise.
Yeah. Ghana crowd, fun say, a beefy with him until they have from 1993. Co-elections, 2000. For second round, and be declared 2008 at a most 2 second round, and winning 2016. President Kufuor for opposition 169 majority. You be see that 169 seats. President Kufuor who a group of the history makers, son of a say bachelor parliament 169. Say we are contombra, new dubiase, apamanya, wine, a winning. Even the northern regions, almost strongholds. Tolong, Savlugu, back on the side, Attorney General Krumi, Pemka, maybe on the constituency, talents, your baby, winning. Popular vote, 1 million votes. Popular votes, 1 million. And I'm more because Bible you see in the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is the king. And I'm more Sanya Ghana ha and then yendi samanyukua. Nobody will present Mahama again after that. When you're internal party election, where the whole country is about and more put on verdict, say ya put on verdict and say Ghana presidency there, Tofiakwa. Don't catch that.
Maybe they made that.
You respond.
I'll give you the opportunity. I'll give you the opportunity.
No.
I will give you the opportunity.
Yes. And it's a no na mosre. Na mo de mosa. Na mo say on one na mo de beba. And ma call. And ma frustrate other contestants. Who free chairman we na bring 5,000 from free dipa who free chairman we na we frame 2 days time. And I'm frustrate o mo na ma kwaku hima ha na msan namba. Asempa e de tie baby. Enche e bodo no. E bodo na Ghana forum san to aba no wo. List go kan come bi wana mrefi wo kana makaka yo.
But no we need elections.
Huh? Silence no. They get pa mo.
Because we can say 2012. Now what you mean assembly jina pa.
Na 2012 election na papa.
Me say
2012 election wa what me say let's papa e call. Papa you be say since 1957 ababi no want to be on Ghana hada. You can't election mu da of French in 2016 elections.
Because MPP won.
No, because of say this time no. Some shit na easy form for my no. This time Supreme Court can say do be a man. It will be a because figure be baby.
No, there's an electoral commission buama NDC.
Maybe me can say electoral commission buama me here wanna work on.
Me come question na me busa.
Me say 2016 penye bi catch me say. Me na bra. Since Kwame Nkrumah person but be any Ghana mean to be. Say 2016 elections see free and fair.
This electoral commission mo yade o.
Oh, that's not the only idea. I don't know if
so say mo sheet you mo sheet political
party. Say was the first amount collation sheet no. But some sheet oh I want to gig in now. So they only declare.
And this time around with the man.
Oh, Supreme Court show mo. Manu see you as a man can we are no remember
I need to respond to
you respond.
It's about you need 1 hour to
just allow me
but I'll give you the time.
Just allow me.
Are we going to the next topic?
I'll give you the opportunity to respond.
No topic. As man here come mama dey na na eka. Enti me dey me na me nkoda adwen say ebiso a me ne boli tra che dodo. But to be a co-election now suffer defeat now. You make way. You make way. But democracy and this
former president Mama Sanchez Kakra.
Oh, me see you make way because party craft and could be you. Theresa May, who said best day cook. So no 22 for Kushia. Executive say I don't want to allow to the MPs to amend the rules with my channel directly. No. But seriously, they have told her say we no year course we so
political dynamics are one different from radio.
And I make sure say dynamics is different. And one say Hano, sometimes I find say one do so okay.
Adekye Nsroma Alaji.
Let me put it on record. Say a car kabi memin kebi na even ye narrow no to elections are. John Dramani Mahama position and a stature our Africa man and we are happening in Rano. Eyasrunko. Because mena wo kasa sisi. Eyame de se obisa na say nti confirm any way nti na office will be winning election. And o ka say yes. And ye nti na ye yi o mo free ho. Nti say ye nipa say with all this number, with all these things that you have said, and ne one kasa woti hey, o catch unim say munsemo amokaye enye no kre na mo aka magana ko atedi aye dwuma ama woti ha meti ha na waka catch obi say confirm nti ye nto abantia no waka catch obi say wa ye say nti ye nti abantia no na waba up to today 3 years down the line wo bedia wo de bema wo busuapo wo de ama ejuma wo betiche ama wo ma wo nua wo yere no wo fase mo ni na sai duba wa ticha mo ndu akura ma tse tamna 3 na John Dramani Mahama si ye no se o mabanyimba akwaje shop ba ko ho a ono so abetuto ade wo di ne baba ko ne baba ko ade property body e body na nche se bebi nkoso na wo ti ha wonim se akonfam wo ho bibia wo wantumi anso nipa ba ko kra nko court.
Today. Abuka pele mo anjele.
So who America no. One found nipa ba ko kra nko court up to today. Na wo ti ha catch Ghana for say nipa no nya 100 and as wo de 1 million vote na BT no nti wo be say BT ni bio. Didn't na wo do 1 million vote na BT no. What can be BT Ghana for no? Are you living up to that expectation? And indeed, say the whole world in the history of modern politics. Say what what disappointed the good people of his country and the world in terms of even disappointing people to the extent say womo enya GTA our politics move na omampenyi na do dan kwakofado. Indeed, say menu wo ekase Ghana what to do ano ndura mete a professor bi wo University of Science and Technology. Waka so ye NPP ni mapa. Na the level of disappointment omampenyi we any NPP party no e dia Ghana for no eye bibia eye kese na omo nsore no mu fi se ade a esi emre bi etwem no sa na besi bi omo a omo ensore enkenya omo. It is never true said John Dramani Mahama a lose election ti or ye bibia to say wa be edwanfunu debi. It is not true. Indeed, so say Obi, I mean to wait what you are saying, say or no and the whole of Africa, but to wait, but to also make a point, say menu say Obi elusu election on getting to 3 occasions from within and without. Now we to be a president or the BB and a catcher Ghana for. That is Nana Dankwa Kufado. Sadiano. We're living up to that expectation. And as a officer Ghana for a beer, so sebi wagashi, and as a cheese, any woman team. Waka can some confirm saying I walk and would ye tip or be free. Now waba, none ye cost war wabreso. a year Ghana for you are confirming today. Say at least under NDC, you are prosecuting. You are prosecuting a jail will be a young Kasaya party. And that will go on one more Jessica Cassia, a Ghana for Yamo. I would do Sako Kawa. What would you say?
It's just a sunny man. You have fun to about. Says Sadani, Brazil 2014. Is a
man for the to about Ghana. But the question now, yeah, they Busa Ghana for say, yes, Sada, yes, say Brazil, yes, say, a buy no catch her or Wabemun ne. Why not watching that too? So I can't go until we've been to then what no Bianco defending.
As we speak, there are 15 people in court.
15 people?
Yes, 15. Yes,
different cases are now.
NCA, a cocoa board, a say Senate, one, Nina on court. Ebisuba, Ebisudam Quemuba. But I cry make catch him in a crab and make catch him. Say, we are say, Obetown now can't move from Musa. And where else? Oh, another down Quakufuado. Or man, a man, one. The doctor Sumi and Sano. Wagi shop for airport. You know, I work with him. And now, but I'm a TV show. Now, the catch again of say, oh, and then you have who for dinner band or band. Listen me, me minister one in Union. I touch young one near who for the Abusa for our appointment as minister. Ninu Becca, mere minister attaching. One and for the 50 back, wine minister. Why be in India? It is a mayor, Santina, minister. I say, I
am talking as a finance minister in India.
Finance minister, a Kufuan of a back. What do I say? Send them to us, I can't say the same requirement. You
know, the Mua. So who was to be in a somewhat once?
And I different who for something reason. It was also a because you know, Bushafo, maybe Swamin and Asmo catch maybe Kumasi say, Kumasi et no, a Busuani and many four, and young Kuntoka. Me that's one of the chairman and the man, no. Okay. It's a Mamaka Sepka. So, but now me say, okay, finance me, or the finance minister in India. Attach her in India. Why be on a Kufa 123 ministers as Sena, yeah, or appointing, waiting, on coming to
why and John Dramani Muhammad out of the over 75 million.
There be some media man can do now Naziru.
Unfortunately, happy birthday to Mami Kunodu Kumase. We feel Richard Ne Asari also wish you a happy birthday and we pray that God will continue to bless you as you celebrate. Unfortunately, a time when us unfortunately a time when us and run who did birthday. Former Chief of Staff, Honorable Julius Debra, happy belated birthday. And one of your birthday, we wish you divine blessing. And Nanaya Asante, who are University of Education, Winneba, Kumasi campus. Happy birthday from a loved one. Or say, we show all the best. So, one person, I'm one and you will be in Koyamau. And Nanaya Asante of University of Education, Winneba, Kumasi campus. My very good friend, Minia Noble Cream Rouse, so me that say, I mean, in Shroud. I was sure Hannah, YDBC, common dear, Cassadibia, idea, in 8 minutes, but trust enough, you have to also watch. Honorable entry, I am Mashabi Journey, Supreme constituency. Now, no cry, say, young Kajai cross a more. It's a time. And every I like Ekasa Emma position NDC. I was sure I need to be seen. Yameboa, Echna Sevisha, and I had to us with the production team in Yanas, Yamin Shramo. Your friend Kwame agency, and I'm a boy, I said, Shachna, with a massive.
ewo Medina Firestone Greenhouse ewo ASN Dinochi dan so my last stop abeka ye ne go filling station e na hwe ne mu Kanso Nyanyan Road ye ne Kanso post office so hwe ne mu Koforidia ye ben Askori Roman School frɛ yɛn ewo 024-870-7270 and 020-088-7088.